Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I'd like to show you the amazing polymerization of P-Nitroaniline. Check it out. All you need for this reaction is a crucible, some sulfuric acid, of course, your P-Nitroaniline, and a heat source. Start out by adding 10 grams of your P-Nitroaniline, and then cover it with sulfuric acid that's concentrated. And right away, you'll start to see the carbonization. The next step is to turn on the heat. Oh, there it goes. Here you can see a close-up of the product. It's very light. It's very spongy. You can see all the pores in it from all the gases that were created. Very interesting dehydration of P-Nitroaniline. I think this is more of a polymerization reaction. Amazing.